Hi children, welcome back to school. School? I know you're missing the school, but now this is how we are gonna learn. So I should rather say, welcome back to learning. So children, let's start our class today with the thought for the day. Thought for the day is treat people the way you want to be treated. So, you all want everyone to treat you with love, care, affection, and respect, right? When you treat others with love, care, affection, and respect, you will get back the same from them. So, remember, the thought for today is treat everyone the way you want to be treated. Okay, children, now quickly look around and see what is around you. You can see so many things around you, right? Now, imagine we are in a classroom. In a classroom, you can see the board, desk, duster and chalk piece, books, ruler, pencil, and so many other things, right? Let us come out of our imagination and see around you at home. You can see fan, doors, windows, couch, and even a gas cylinder. Remember the things you saw at school and the things that you are seeing at home. Do they all look alike? Each one of them look different. Think, what makes them look different? It is their shape. Every one of these objects have a different shape. In today's class, we will learn about shapes. Children, before we get into the details of the concept, let's focus on few important words. Today's words are shape, object, and plane. You should enter these words into your word diary. So, make a note of them. Today's words are shape, object, and plane. Shape means the external form or outline of someone or something. That means how someone or something appears to you. For example, when you see a television, you can see a rectangle there. When you look at a ball, the shape of the ball is circular or round. Object: a material or thing that can be seen and touched. You can see a spoon and touch it. Spoon is an object. Similarly, bag, keys, vehicle, all these are objects. Plane means a flat surface. The floor of your house or your classroom is a plane. Children, so you have understood the meaning of these words. Today's words are shape, object, and plane. Chapter 1, Shapes. In this chapter, we will learn about lines, open figures and closed figures, drawing figures using lines, basic flat and solid figures, flat figures as outlines of the surfaces of solid figures. David drew shapes using objects like a can, a matchbox, a bangle, and a cup. So when David is using a can to draw a shape, the shape is circular. When he's using a matchbox to draw a shape, the shape is rectangle. A bangle, he can draw a circle with it. And when it is a cup, it can either be a circle or an oval. So, what do you understand by this? The basic shapes of these objects, that is a can, it is a circle. When it is a matchbox, it is a rectangle. When it is a bangle, it is again a circle. And with a cup, it can be either circle or oval. Let's recall whatever we learned today. On the screen, you can now see a rectangle, triangle, circle, and a square. Children, you all play carom, right? Have you observed the board properly? It is a square. And when you step out of the house or you step into the house, you would happen to come across a foot rug, which is generally rectangular in shape. You can even see a coin on the screen now, which is a circle. So, these shapes which we are learning in today's class, you see most of them around you. In your classroom, you find many objects of different shapes. For example, a book, paper, or a blackboard looks like a rectangle. Sometimes we see different objects having the same shape. For example, if you look at the wall clock at home, then a photo frame, or even a biscuit like Crack Jack 50/50, they all appear similar in shape, right? Something like a square. So, every time you look around, try to relate it to the shapes that you have learned in today's class. So children, it's time for an activity now. Let's recall what... You can see some matchsticks here. You find them at home as well, right? You can also try this activity. Using these matchsticks, I'm gonna make some shapes. What does this look like? This is a square. This is a rectangle. And this is a triangle. Now, do you remember the difference that I told you between a square and a rectangle? In a square, all the four sides are equal, while in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. If you can see, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, right? And this is a triangle. So, how did I make all these shapes? By using matchsticks. How does the stick appear? It appears like a line. So, in our next class, we will be studying about lines and line segments.